7 essential factors to consider before picking a website theme. Hello there, welcome to today's video. You know how daunting it can be to pick just the suitable theme for your website, right? Like, it could literally turn out to be a good decision or a very terrible one. Your website theme affects the total outlook of your website, so you need to be extra particular in deciding what best suits you. So, what is a website theme? You might know already that a website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person, company, or organization. But a website theme entails a different description altogether. It is more like a unique branding style in identifying your website. In today's video, I am going to educate you on 7 critical factors you need to consider before selecting your website theme. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Consider simplicity. Simple is always classy. It is better to work smartly than to strain your website with unnecessary things that generally affect the outlook of the page. Now, making your theme less flashy and very simple will give you a less time-consuming, organized, high-quality, and efficient website. For business owners significantly, countless elements and designs may distract potential customers as to the main reason for visiting your page and may dissuade them from buying. Of course, it is essential to make your website theme appealing and attractive. Enough, however, if you seek more sales, making it look as professional as it can is the best choice. It is advised not to make the elements of your page clustered so that the rate of loading can also be done faster and more efficiently. Number 2. Know what type of website you intend to build. Knowing the intricacies of a plan is always the best way to set it up and sustain it fruitfully. It will be unwise to try and set up a task and not know the relevant details concerning it and what it may entail. Before you pick a website theme, have a fair idea of what you want your website to be about. For instance, are you setting up a website that will promote buying and selling? Or a website that will invest in educational opportunities? Or are you seeking to invest and set up a website for nonprofit undertakings and travel businesses? The type of page you want to build informs you of the needed adjustments you have to make and the relevant content that should be put out to satisfy your viewers and customers. Number 3. Accessibility to update opportunities. Before you pick a website theme, consider the ease with which you are allowed to include updates on your page. You may occasionally seek to add new features to enhance your content or make additions to improve the performance of your website. In some instances, there may be a need to probably enhance the security network on your page, or fix certain bugs. If your theme makes editing changes difficult, it could affect your overall content. So check if your website theme consistently allows you to update your program. Number 4. Check for cross-browser compatibility. This is one advice everyone will give you when it comes to website theme picking. The people who visit your page will most probably prefer to access it directly from web browsers such as Google, Opera Mini, Chrome, Internet Explorer, MSN, etc. If you even do some research, you will realize that well-known themes always work well on modern browsers. In picking a website theme, consider making it available on popular web browsers for easy accessibility, and do not forget to include it in your page description. You can try to open your website on different browsers to check if navigation is easy. Number 5. Responsive design. Despite the numerous technological gadgets made available these days, the most common gadget still remains the phone. The mobile phone is carried everywhere and anywhere by most people. Some cannot even do away with their phones for a second. It is the handiest technological device to use for online and digital work. Because of this, it should not be cumbersome at all to open websites on a mobile phone. Certain sites who make it difficult to access their content using mobile devices lose potential viewers and customers because not everyone is really eager and has the time to try a page on different devices to see which one works. They just move on to a different website, which could give them the same satisfaction. Number 6. Content should be easily accessible. The content of your page is the most relevant to your customers and users. How useful it is to them will determine how frequently they access the page. But in accessing the page, a user should be able to do so with the highest form of ease. You are not the only one putting out a particular piece online. Other people are doing the same. In order to avoid frustrating your users, which will make them shift their attention, ensure that the content of your page is not hidden behind other irrelevant matters, but loads easily and efficiently. Some websites even create shortcut icons and links to make it easier to access their pages. Number 7. Customization is necessary. Pick a theme that allows you to customize your website. Customization provides you unlimited ability to personalize your website according to your unique style and brand. In customized website themes, uniformity, maintenance, style, and other features are enhanced to make your page intricately yours. The importance of this is that, especially for businesses, it shows the nature of your products and gives your customers a fair idea of what your business entails. So, we have come to yet again the end of another video. Remember that we said in picking a website theme, you need to consider simplicity, know what type of website you intend to create, check how easily updates are accessed, look out for compatibility among popular search engines, have a responsive design. Your content should be easily accessible, and you should prioritize customization. It has been fun sharing my ideas with you. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you can receive updates like this video, and leave a comment so I can know what you think. Till I meet you again in our next video, see you